Back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed bell peppers. Today with my ingredients, I'm going to be using garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder. You need 1 cup of an 8-ounce, 3 cans of tomato sauce, and then I'm also going to be using ground beef. This right here is like a 3-pound, jasmine rice, and you need your Colby blend cheese. So now what you want to do is you want to take your knife and you want to just cut around this part of your bell pepper. So take your knife, barely go to the top of the bell pepper, and just take your time so you won't cut yourself. No need to rush. And just cut straight down the middle. Then you can take your hand and you want to pull out the seeds and just lay it flat. You want to just go ahead and take your spoon and just scrape out the inside. If the spoon is too much for you, then you could just take your hand and just scrape it out.
Thai beats.
So right here, what you want to do is go ahead and just fill up your pot, fill it up with water. Not all the way up, but like halfway in the middle. What I went ahead and already did was put 3 slices of butter. So you just want to drop your bell peppers in your water and just take it all the way down to the bottom. What you want to do is you want to let your bell peppers sit. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and prep my ground beef. So just go ahead and lay your ground beef inside your skillet. So now what you want to do is go ahead, what I'm using is my garlic salt. So you want to just go ahead and just add your garlic salt towards your ground beef. Remember guys, just go ahead and add your seasoning towards your liking. Remember, you don't want to use too much garlic salt though, because you don't want it too salty. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and use your garlic powder. So just go ahead and just remember, go a little bit around in the circle. Garlic powder is not salty, so you don't have to worry about if you put too much garlic powder. Add some of your onion powder. So now what you want to go ahead and do is just stir everything up. So you want to go ahead and cook this until it turns brown. Alrighty, so right here you see that the bell peppers are actually done. Like I said, you want to let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes the most. You don't want them to get too soft, because the softer they get, it's going to be hard for you to add your stuffing in the middle. So right here, my ground beef is almost ready. You want to make sure you don't see any type of redness or any type of peachiness in your meat. Right here, what you want to just go ahead and do is just drop your bell peppers inside of your rice strainer. Mine, you see, I have my eye on a little too high. So they're real soft, but just try to take your time and make sure you turn down your eye too as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and just use 4 cups of jasmine rice. Just go ahead and fill it up halfway in the middle. So now what you want to go ahead and do is just let your rice cook for about 16 to 18 minutes. What you want to do is just go ahead and pour your rice inside your rice strainer. So now what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and pour your rice inside the bowl. Next, you want to go ahead and add your ground beef. Okay, so make sure you get all the way in. And then just stir it up. So you want to mix your rice and your ground beef together. So now you want to just make sure that you mix everything in good, real good. So just stir from the top to the bottom. So now what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and actually add our stuffing inside the bell pepper. So just take your time and just fill it in until you get all the way to the top of your bell pepper. So for me, I like mine real full to the top, so I'm just gonna keep filling it all the way to the top. So now just go ahead and add your cheese. Just a pinch of your cheese on top of your bell pepper. So you actually want to just place them on top. And then you're going to go ahead and set your stove to about 380 and let them bake for about a good 4 minutes until your cheese melts.